The Little Kind Girl Short Moral Story. Lila, a cheerful 8-year-old, loved helping others. One day, she saw an injured bird near her garden. Gently, she picked it up and took it to her mother, who helped bandage its wing. Lila cared for the bird until it could fly again. Months later, while playing, Lila got lost in the woods. She sat down, scared and unsure of the way home. Suddenly, the bird she had helped appeared. It chirped and fluttered around, leading her back to safety. Moral: a small act of kindness can come back to help you in unexpected ways. Always be kind. Thanks for watching.